that they have executed the operation from Dabolim airport and they will now fly from Mopa. So as the airport director of Dabolim, what is your view on that, sir?
See, Qatar Airways is an operator and they take their own decisions. We respect their decision.
Sir, but does it make any difference to Dabolim airport? How many flights were coming from Qatar Airways? How many flights were coming?
Daily one flight.
Regular Dabolim airport.
Regular.
So before that Air India, then there was Oman Air, now Qatar Airways.
Qatar Airways.
So does it make some difference to the airport as of now, operations?
Yes, certain operations got reduced because of that.
So but after Mopa has come, does Dabolim airport face any difference in the figures?
Yes, last financial year we handled around 8.4 million passengers. This financial year we will be handling around 7 million passengers, around 7 million. So that
around 1 million passengers.
1.4 million passengers, maybe around 15-20% difference you will find.
Sir, there is a lot of politics going on, and some people are saying that Dabolim airport will slowly die a natural death. What do you agree on this, or?
No, absolutely not. This Dabolim airport will remain operational, and coming summer schedule will get additional flights
So any
to Dabolim. That's what we are expecting.
About charter flights, sir, is this the same, or some of them have already
See,
died?
most of the charter flights operated here only.
Okay.
Except one operator, most of the charter flights are operating from here only.
Okay. Sir, now there is so much of infrastructure being put up, but still some people feel that the infrastructure will remain, but airlines will cut down. Domestic airlines. Do you think there is some kind of pressure from the government or any ministers to pressurize the airlines to move out of Dabolim? Do you think so?
I don't think. There is no such pressure, and many airlines prefer to travel, prefer to operate from Dabolim airport, and it will come true. The day passes.
So as days pass,
the day pass, we may get back the things.
Okay. And sir, any airlines has been in touch with you? Are you getting any intimation about like how Qatar Airways has announced? So any domestic airlines are in touch with you? Are they complaining, or because there are rumors that some domestic airlines are also trying to move out of Dabolim?
As of now, nothing.
Nothing at all.
Nothing at all.
But other international flights are there.
Yes, we are having now Air Arabia, Air India Express is there, Gulf Air is there.
So any new sectors that are being joined, sir, for Dabolim airport as of now? Because we have a
New
very
sector, I think March, Indigo is coming to Hyderabad, Goa, Pune, one sector. Again, from two flights in this sector, they are operating.
Sir, now as of now
they will be operating, not now,
okay.
in March.
So as of now we've seen a lot of people moving from Goa to Ayodhya. Any direct links in the plan, sir?
See that airlines, they will see that, and we are ready for any operations, for any requirements, slots requirement and all. We are ready, and if any such airline wanted to operate, we will give slots for that.
So one last question before we leave. Do you feel there is any threat, like the way it is being projected, that Dabolim airport may not survive, economically not viable, will become a ghost airport? Anything of that? What do you want to say on that, sir? A lot of rumors.
Dabolim airport will survive, and it is having good potential.
Okay, sir.
Even now, it is having very good potential.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.